Denotation of the second house lord in each of the 12 houses in the horoscope. The denotation of the second house lord in each of the 12 houses in a horoscope can provide insights into the areas of life related to personal values, finances, material possessions, and resources. Here is a general overview of the denotations. First house. When the second house lord is in the first house, it suggests that the individual's personal values, financial stability, and material possessions play a significant role in shaping their self-identity and overall expression. Second house. When the second house lord is in the second house itself, it indicates a strong emphasis on personal values, financial matters, and material resources. The individual may have a natural ability to accumulate wealth and resources. Third house. When the second house lord is in the third house, it suggests that the individual's financial resources and personal values are closely connected to their communication skills, siblings, and short-distance travel. They may find ways to monetize their communication abilities. Fourth house. When the second house lord is in the fourth house, it indicates that the individual's personal values and financial security are strongly tied to their family, home, and emotional well-being. They may prioritize creating a stable and nurturing environment. Fifth house. When the second house lord is in the fifth house, it suggests that the individual's personal values and financial matters are closely linked to their creativity, self-expression, and speculation. They may find opportunities to generate income through their hobbies or talents. Sixth house. When the second house lord is in the sixth house, it indicates that the individual's financial stability and personal values are influenced by their work, health, and service to others. They may focus on financial security through consistent effort and practicality. Seventh house. When the second house lord is in the seventh house, it suggests that the individual's personal values and financial matters are closely intertwined with their partnerships and relationships. Joint finances and shared resources may play a significant role. Eighth house. When the second house lord is in the eighth house, it indicates that the individual's personal values and financial stability may undergo transformations and changes through shared resources, inheritance, or other people's money. Ninth house. When the second house lord is in the ninth house, it suggests that the individual's personal values and financial matters are influenced by their beliefs, higher education, travel, and spirituality. They may seek financial security through expanding their horizons. 10th house. When the second house lord is in the 10th house, it indicates that the individual's personal values and financial stability are closely tied to their career, public image, and social status. They may strive for financial success and recognition in their chosen profession. 11th house. When the second house lord is in the 11th house, it suggests that the individual's personal values and financial matters are connected to their social network, friendships, and aspirations. They may benefit financially through their connections and network. 12th house. When the second house lord is in the 12th house, it indicates that the individual's personal values and financial matters may operate on a subconscious or hidden level. They may have a need for privacy and may face challenges in managing their resources. Remember that the actual interpretation of the second house lord in each house may vary based on the sign it occupies, aspects from other planets, and the overall dynamics of the birth chart.